Hello, I'm Chris and welcome to a trip through Manchester Airport to see what the pubs, restaurants and the feel of the place is like. We're going to have a look around, we're going to grab a drink, we're going to see if we can get a pint, how much it is, what it's like, and if you're coming to Manchester Airport, what you can expect. So let's get to it. So this is one of the long walk concourses that takes you to the terminals. I believe this is the Terminal 1 and 3. I'm just going to have a look around because I can't really remember what's here. So I'll just see what we can find here. Obviously the travelator isn't working, which is it's one of those things. I went on holiday last year and it wasn't working then either. I don't know why. It's not too bad. We're good at walking. As you can see, it is a really cold day out. It is -5, icy on the ground, cold, beautiful air though, blue skies. Haven't brought a passport, so I can't do a last minute flight somewhere. I might have to do that next time. Could be actually quite a fun video. Last minute jet to somewhere. God knows where I'd end up though. It's like in those films where they ask at the desk and charm the person there and get a first class upgrade somewhere. Rarely do I think it really happens. Not for me at least. All these people are going away. I am quite envious. And it's weird because when I am actually going on holiday and on the day, I'm not like in the mood for it. I just want to get there. I want to kind of like skip ahead and fast forward. £4.29 for Pringles. Oh, $6.49 for Doritos. That is airport prices. My God. £3.39 for a can of Sprite. How much is water? £3.99 for water. £3.99 for water. That's amazing. Wow, it looks nice though. It looks really nice there. Oh wow, this is a lot more like it. This is nicer. So this is where you come to check in. And we've got the hotel nearby to stay. So these are the flights. So where could we go? Mumbai, Frankfurt, Dublin, Budapest, Paris, London, Amsterdam. 7:05 for Amsterdam. That's a bit of a wait. Anywhere you want to go, really? £5.5 for a large latte at Starbucks.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's a bit more expensive than a normal Is it more expensive than a normal Starbucks? Starbucks is kind of expensive now. Let's have a look. Take a gamble. So this is where you come to, this is where you'll get dropped off for Terminal 2. That's Terminal 2 for you. And you've got a Holiday Inn. And you've got a Radisson nearby, if you need it. Let's get back in now and search what it's like to get maybe a drink, maybe a bite, when you come to Manchester Airport. So this is the little M bar. Try it out, see what it's like. Sorry.
Next time you go pick some
So this is the salt and pepper chili chicken wings and the Atlantic Pale Ale. The Atlantic Pale Ale was £7.50, which is a lot. It's a lot. But pub prices are about the same. The salt and pepper chicken wings were £8. It's airport pricing, so a lot more expensive. And it did add on a service charge of £1.55, which I think is a bit sneaky because it wasn't asked and it wasn't listed on there. So it's just kind of assumed, kind of cheeky, but it is a beautiful looking bar. Chicken is really nice, really well done, soft and tender, and it's a nice coating to it. It's a bit spicy and a bit sweet, which is what I paid for. And the sauce is good as well. It's got a spice to it, a sweet kind of chili spice. I really like it, but you do need something to wash it down with, which is what we've got.
What are you doing? We don't know if it's good. You want to go? 우리랑 먼저
So the chicken was really good, really, really nice, tender. It doesn't even need the sauce, to be honest. You could just eat it on its own. And I was eating on its own. The sauce is really good though. It's sweet and spicy, but it's already got that coating on the chicken, so it's kind of like doubling up, which I'm okay with. The pint is really nice. I'm kind of sore about the price, obviously, but it's airport prices, so you've just got to kind of steal yourself away for getting rinsed a bit. Because they all jack the prices up here, you know. Bottle of water for $3.55 or something, can of Coke for £4. But it was a nice pint actually, yeah, it's really good. It's like a good texture, good taste, tastes fresh, tastes like clean taps. The service staff here aren't the most talkative or friendly, but they get the job done, and that's the point, isn't it? That's what they want here, to get the staff keeping on top of things, food out, drinks done, tables cleared, place clean. It's not the kind of place you're going to spend a lot of time here. It's a stopping point before you move on. But yeah, I'm impressed with the pint. I could honestly, if I was coming here for a holiday, sink another couple of those before you go and depart. Why not if you're on holiday? I recommend it. It's a really nice little bar. It's part of the Radisson Blue chain, and it's called the Little M. So if you're in Manchester Airport, even if you're going to Terminal 1, Terminal 3 or Terminal 2, and it's near Terminal 2, you can easily get here. There's travelators, so it's a few minutes walk. You can stop, you can kind of unwind a little bit, get yourself in a bit more of a holiday mode, and then carry on forward. I definitely check it out. And that's this review series pretty much done. So let me know what you think in the comments. Like and subscribe, because it really helps. This is a bit of a new format for me, so if you'd like it and you want more kind of like this, let me know and I will oblige. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video, and I'll see you in the comments.